Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX. The 310 SLX is one of the bigger boats in the Sea Ray lineup. In this one we did the horizon blue with a nice white stripe. So a lot of features on this boat. Let's start with the transom and check out some features back there. Alright, so back on the transom of the boat, first we're going to point out the 310 SLX is a twin engine boat. This particular model we did the Mercury 6.2 350s, so twin 350s. Another option that we did is a submersible swim platform. So you can press a button on the inside of the boat and this whole swim platform will go down. The drives will go down automatically as well. It's a great place to sit on, stand on if you just want to hang out. Kids are swimming, you're swimming. It's just a blast on that. We still have a nice boarding ladder here. And then we optioned it with the sea deck on the back swim platform as well. So let's go on to the interior and check out. All right, just wanted to point out a couple features in the back of the boat here. So first of all is this nice big sun pad. And you can have it nice and flat like this if you want and sit your back up against here, or you can pop up this side and that side and have a backrest here as well. And that just pops straight back down. Some storage pockets in here. And on the other side, there is a transom remote and a 12 volt for your phone if you'd like. On the back, can't really see it back here, but there are two speakers that go out, so if you're swimming and everything, you can hear the music. So let's walk onto the inside of the boat. As you walk in, there is some nice sea deck that goes through. There's a cooler that's underneath there, so you don't have to go too far. And there is a sprayer back here as well. And then a little step if you're up on a dock that's a little higher to get yourself up and out of the boat. You can see the nice wraparound seating. This particular one, you can see we have the sink and then just a little area in here for some ice, or it's a drain. You can also option this area with a grill if you'd like. Now we open up this, we do have a nice little refrigerator down here. As you can see, we have the LED blue lighting that is on. You can see it all the way up around the hardtop. You can see it all the way around. And right above us here is the sheer shade. So this is an option that goes all the way out if you need some more shade around the back of the boat and back into here. It does have a table that pops up into here as well if you'd like. Storage underneath all the seats. We've got dual seating here and dual seating here. And there is rest. These pop right up here to get you up a little bit higher so you can see. And then right underneath here is the nice appointed head. So you can see all the nice detail. There's a sink down there. And then here at the helm, we have two 12-inch Simrads. So I can get information on this one and information on this one, or I can have them be the exact same thing. We did option this, so this has the Fusion stereo. We did upgrade this to the upgraded Fusion package. So there's upgraded speakers and there's a subwoofer that comes along with this boat as well. And then because of the two engines, we do have the joystick control. So I can take this, I can twist, I can go side to side. So controlling this boat around docks, lifts, even if you're not someone that's been around boats a long time, makes it super simple. So anybody can drive this boat. We'll come up to the big, spacious bow. First, I'll kind of show you there's some nice armrests that pop down. There's storage underneath all these seats. There's storage down here, but you can easily fit 5 or 6 people up in the bow of this boat. And then the last thing I'll mention is the optioned windlass. So from the helm, I can press a button, or I can come up here, I can press the button, and the windlass anchor goes all the way down. SLX 310 is a beautiful boat. It is here in Rogers, ready to be shown, ready to take a look at. Come on down or call us for an appointment. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.